Let's see another IIT JEE question, 5 marks, huge number, right? 5 marks question asked in the year 1985. It says, let fx is equal to sine cube x plus lambda sine square x be the function where x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, both excluded. Okay, find the intervals in which lambda should lie in order that fx has exactly one maximum and one minimum. So this is the important wording in this whole question. You have to find lambda of this function such that it has exactly one maximum, one minimum. For exactly one maximum, one minimum, the differentiation has to be first of all found out, and there should be two distinct roots. Only then you will get one maximum out of it and one minimum. If these are the same roots, you won't get different maximas and minimas. Suppose if 0, 0 is the root, one is 0, other is 0. How to say which is maximum, which is minimum? So there have to be two different roots in the differentiation in order to get one maximum and one minimum. So let's start with the solution, a subjective question. We need to solve it whole. Right. Now the function is given in trigonometric terms. We are more familiar and comfortable with algebraic expressions. So let me name this function as y and let me put sin x is equal to t. So what does it become? It becomes t cube plus lambda t square, where sin x is my t. No issues with it, substitution can be done. Next what I know is, I know that by pi by 2 minus pi by 2 something was the interval when we were talking about x. But now we are not talking about x, we are talking about t. So sine of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. Sine of pi by 2 is 1. So I have to write minus 1 to 1 is my t now. Now this is the modified form of the question of the function. For easiness we have done this. For the sake of easiness we have done this. Now y is equal to something of this sort. Definitely derivative has to be found out. So let me find out dy by dt. T cube's differentiation with respect to t, 3t square. Lambda t square is 2 lambda t, and you know for maximum or for minimum. So I write for exactly one maximum and one minimum, what should be done? There should be two distinct roots. Two distinct roots should exist, that I know. So what I do now, dy by dt I have to put equal to 0. So the second step of the solution, put dy by dt is equal to 0. So putting dy by dt is equal to 0, 3t square plus 2 lambda t equal to 0, 3t square plus 2 lambda t is equal to 0. Take out t common, so it becomes 3t. Let me erase and let me make it more clear. So it is 3t plus 2 lambda. So it is 3t plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Let me find out t. It is firstly coming 0. Next t is coming as minus 2 lambda by 3. So we are getting two values of t by far by now which are distinct. So definitely one maximum, one minimum will exist, right? Next, when we have these two values, we are more concerned with the value which one? Not 0 but minus 2 lambda by 3. Why? Because we are supposed to talk about lambda in the question. See which lambda. So minus 2 lambda by 3 should lie between minus 1 and 1, right? That is what we were talking about. That means what should be lambda? Lambda should be nothing but lying between minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2. So what is my interval? You have to solve this now, and that is why you get it. So my lambda belongs to minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2, and that is my answer to this question.